If you're wondering how to add a pop-up to ShopWired, you're in the right place. In this quick video, we're going to cover everything you need to know to get pop-ups set up on your ShopWired store, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to implement these features to grab your customers' attention and boost conversions. But stick around, because I'll also be sharing an exclusive offer for an extended free trial of a competitor that's perfect for your goals. First things first, ShopWired does offer pop-up functionality, but it's not the most intuitive process. Setting up pop-ups can take a little time to get used to, especially if you're new to the platform. It's essential to remember that pop-ups can be a great way to capture email leads, highlight sales, or just nudge customers toward purchasing. But don't overdo it. Too many pop-ups can lead to annoyed customers, so be strategic with them. Now, let's dive into the steps. The first thing you'll want to do is log in to your ShopWired dashboard and navigate to the Promotions section. From there, you'll find the Pop-ups tab. You'll need to click on Add Pop-up, and this is where you can customize your pop-up to fit your needs. You'll have options to add a message, choose an image, and even set the timing for when the pop-up will appear on your website. Next, you'll want to decide the kind of pop-up you need. ShopWired offers a few different options, such as newsletter sign-up pop-ups, promotional offers, or even exit intent pop-ups. For example, an exit intent pop-up is one that shows up when a customer moves their mouse to leave the page. This can be really effective in capturing customers who might be about to abandon their cart. Keep in mind, the type of pop-up you choose should match your goal. The third thing to consider is timing. When it comes to pop-ups, timing is everything. You don't want a pop-up to show up too soon and interrupt your visitor's browsing experience. You also don't want it to appear too late when they're about to leave your site. ShopWired allows you to set a delay before the pop-up shows, so you can make sure it appears at just the right time. A 10 to 15 second delay tends to work well, giving users time to browse before being prompted. Next, make sure to test your pop-up to ensure it's showing correctly and at the right time. It's easy to forget the step, but it's crucial. A pop-up that doesn't show or loads incorrectly can turn visitors away. You can test by using an incognito window in your browser or asking a friend to check it out for you. Another tip is to ensure your pop-ups are mobile-friendly. More and more shoppers are browsing from their phones, and a pop-up that doesn't work well on mobile can hurt your store's user experience. Make sure your pop-up is responsive, meaning it adapts to different screen sizes without getting in the way. Lastly, if you're looking to level up your pop-up game, you might find that ShopWired's options are a bit limited. It's great for basic pop-ups, but if you're looking for something more customizable or want better targeting features, you might run into some challenges. This is where alternatives come into play. We've partnered with a competitor that offers a much more flexible pop-up system with advanced features like A/B testing, detailed targeting, and more design options. Plus, their pop-up builder is easier to use and more intuitive for those who want to scale their store without the technical hassle. Here's the thing, if you're serious about improving your site's conversion rate, you need a tool that's easy to use and offers more advanced pop-up customization. This alternative provides you with better functionality, and you can get started with an exclusive extended free trial through the link below. So, if you want to keep it simple with ShopWired, that's totally fine, but if you're looking for more customization and functionality for your pop-ups, this competitor will be a game changer. Use the link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the options in the description to get started with your own pop-up strategy today.